Okay, so you guys, welcome to VGA Development. We are here. So I stopped there because I wanted you to hear what the lyrics said. So we're trying to have everybody come over in a minute and test drive the apps. You know what I mean? Even before we release it in the market, and you can give me like a reply. You know what I mean? That's all. Okay, so you guys, we are doing this program using the base 44, right? So you need to get to this base 44, and we can hear right here. So I'm gonna let you guys come over my thing and log in, and then you can do exactly what the sign is saying right here, right? And for me as a programmer for more than 30 some years, I'm gonna give them a 10 from the bottom up, right? Because what I'm saying, if I compare the original program to the AI program, sure, the AI is working with plugins in a form of way. So, to have certain things happening, you have to integrate with a lot of companies. Instead of me, like I'm just writing it in my program. So we're gonna get to that, and how we can do more or work alongside with the AI. So if you're here, big respect. Give me a like, and you guys see for the longest time I've been working on HTML5 generators on Studio. If you're on my Facebook page, you can go to my old pictures, my feature picture on Facebook, right? And one of my features in Facebook, you definitely see an audio generator there, right? So I'm not just in the game yesterday or the other day saying, "Oh, I'm making a generator," and no. It's been refined, it's been built and refined over a period of time. And not even the AI itself right now can produce the original dark gold generator cloud studio master builder that embodies building stores. Whoa, build just building everything. And I feel I'm up here playing with the AI, and I have this really big thing that embodies everything. So I'm taking chunks of it out and throwing it in there and get a audio generator. Throw another chunk in there, you get this out of this and all that. But when I fully give the AI the real one, I'll have an environment, something similar to like a WordPress. Trust me, a whole environment, network environment where you come in and create website and all that. That's why I need to really think about it as a developer, to put all the other things and pieces together. So you might be looking at the next man who's going to give you the next type of WordPress thing, but in media world. And I'm not joking. If you really look at the big thing I made, it's too big. It was so big. It's so big that the developer said, this program is too gigantic. Break it down. And that's when I started breaking it down in nuts and bolts and, hey, made the audio generator out of it. Then I went back and opened the next apps, right? Made the video audio generator portion out of it. It's like, you know what I'm saying? So, and so when I looked at this one last night, I said, let's go tell the AI. This is how I burned up my credits last night. And still gotta wait for a while to get back some. As the computer said, I can't get renewal until about 12 hours. Uh, so I went and told the computer, okay, I said, fine, you should have just went and leave the audio thing alone. Just put out the video like you have all the supervision in it. But when I did that, the AI wrote me this. Not the one I'm looking for. Generate AI powered videos. I did that. Yes, I did. And I put in music, and it gave me this. So I'm still like having this AI do things for me. And during the course of that, it added this. This is a suggestion from the AI, not me. AI suggests fun, install credits. hmm And it comes back, install project. I'm like, okay. So this is not my doing, that's the AI itself. These two modules right here, the AI definitely, right? And when I work back on the program, I'm gonna update again. I most likely will get a video editor. It's what I see happened last night when I started adding two things about the video generator. I watched when the AI thinks and was thinking. I saw it ran across the screen, video editor. It didn't come up though, so I guess the AI is still searching to find that resource. You know what I mean? But it actually showed me that. I'm like, well, I'm gonna get a video editor, but it didn't come up in the program. But I guess mean that I ran out of credit. As soon as the credit get renewed, I think I have enough credit to pull that integration that was trying to come, because I got an error in the administration. So the reason why it's an error by pulling, and if we go in there. So see, getting into this, um, it costs a lot, yes, to really pay for the plan still. I'm not going to tell no one. No, I live in Jamaica, and if you put Jamaica money to U.S. money, it look like $1,000 for us. So when you tell us like 100 U.S., we down in Jamaica, we saying that's 15,500. We got to pay just for 100. You know what I mean? So, and like even I'm a soldier here, send my kids to school. It's about graduation time. My son go to high school this year, my last son, and it's all about paying for the education down here. So most of the time I work just to take care of him down here, and leave from computer work because computer work in Jamaica not really paying off like that, and to do regular into construction and all that kind of stuff. Been just basing my time on moonlight in construction, one say, while I still develop my programs. You know what I mean? But this one is cool. I can get to it, and I'll do the start out thing with them and create some program and reach the point where I can just have my own brand. Because I was on the way doing that, not having a lot of money. I have my own site that's doing a similar thing. It's just not AI doing it, but I'm the one that's making the programs. Then. But the best good thing about this, okay, this is based 44, so you guys should know, right? And let's go back to the program. So I should be inviting you guys in a minute to come over. And when you come over, you can hit up on this right here, and you can try it out. You see what I'm saying? See, Base44 said, join as a affiliate. Sure, but even if I didn't join an affiliate, I'm going to boast about the way that that stuff is 100%. I live here in Jamaica, and even as the point that we get up online and we have to pay for everything for internet connection. I have my server I pay for yearly. They asked me to have a base name. No, I wouldn't have a base name. I'm never going to leave smtvs.com, my base site. I will include it and integrate their stuff into smtvs.com eventually. So when when I'm going into Base44, I'm actually in smtvs.com doing that. You know what I mean? Um, so we're gonna get to all of those good stuff, the good integration thing. So yeah, um, I'm not using none of my integration here that they offer yet. So as you guys can see from social community and email and Google Drive to integrate, so I really don't even use Google Drive. I have it. I don't think I have anything in there. Maybe something is there. So now I got to get with it. Use Google Drives. You know what I mean? Fine. Hook it up to my thing. So it's going. It makes sense now for me to use Google Drive when I'm gonna have my script running online and people gonna want to store stuff, upload stuff. So it'll get stored back to my drive. And my drive will be used as I'm there as SMTVS as a business storage. I mean, it's either them or Amazon. You know what I mean? And eventually, when we start getting to the bigger picture, then I guess we start paying for more stuff. But as you can see, and these guys, yeah, these are the sponsors of this thing right here. The Twix guys, yeah, Base44. When you see that, you talk about Twix. They are the guy that own it, really. Here, they own this, right? Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. It says they took me 5 seconds to know who owned what. You know what I mean? And if I'm wrong, they can tell me I'm wrong. Okay, so here we go, right? So yeah, all the stuff. You know, I got my Google analysts and everything over there, Google and all the stuff. They just talking about bringing all your stuff to you. You know what I mean? Inside and integrate, fully integration your stuff there, and that's cool, right? And well, I signed up for the partner program with them, and then I started to do the affiliate thing. But when I got to hook up the TikTok and the LinkedIn, which I have my LinkedIn page just there, and it's under my name. So I don't know if they want me to change my name over there at LinkedIn now to smtvs.com or just establish a new page. And TikTok, that my friend always say, you should go on TikTok. No, I'm not even look at TikTok. I don't look at all these social community I say. You want me to know, I talk about social community people? All these weird places. I'm not joining. I join them just to just go there, just have my name. I tell people that for real. I tried Facebook one time with the odd thing, but nothing happened. Google everybody. When I'm getting something on the way and I find a reason to use you in a way that benefits me, then I start using them. But they're not benefiting me by me giving them $10, $20, and me to drive a long road to get to where I'm going. No. Else I be that just like them. It might be whatever they want to think about, oh, I'm talking like whether I'm good or bad in a good way. But I'm going to have my own Google and my own Facebook style thing going on. I'm not really a dependent type of program I've been on. I'm going to have my own environment too. But I'm just like coming out of that, do my own thing and say, okay, do it everybody else then. So when the guy who don't want to really work with other people but doing the same thing decide to work with other people, remember that guy has a lot of knowledge that he's been doing on his own. Okay. Remember over Microsoft they gave me 3 stars the first time I put up the HTML5 generator because it was like that's a cool idea. And that's where that comes from. So you guys can go to GitHub and hit up on my name, Vanguard Allen, find my repository, and you can get the early stuff. I mean, I should have a long time put up a lot of new stuff on the repository, but there's not time to go over there and do that. But you can go over there and find that based on the basic generators over there, at GitHub. Okay. So if you guys want to use an AI to create some programming, most definitely, I will recommend the base part of it. And I've tried out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different applications. This one come from them, so I wouldn't talk about that, right? And each application embodies the same thing. That the one we are looking at is this one right here. And there is a cloud version of it. Because when they see I get deep, they give me the deep versions. They give me the cloud version is this one. Right? This is a cloud version. Right? So it's pretty much bad too. It's bad. It's up there. Right? And let's go back. I can open it too, I don't have. So I'm gonna like most definitely let's open this guy. Oh, this one. So this is really a short video still, but trying to let it happen. Okay, let's see something here. This is a Dark Ghost Studio. So yeah, I like to make stuff. It makes me Dark Ghost Studio, right? But in the original, it gave us the original name on the original one. We got. I think I might. No, I don't have none more here, right? No. Okay. We're going back. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the video because video time is really a good thing. Just to give you guys some information about. I think it's a good reason for you guys to come over and follow the link that I'm going to leave on the page to come over and try out one of my ops, and then you can tell me how you like it, right? And that's good for me because I can report back to Base44 how people like my ops, and I guess they have interest in that, right? When they get that, to help me as a developer to get more work. So if you're rooting for me to get more work means more money, to bring better apps and create a better future. You know what I mean? Right, okay. Thanks a lot. So I'm gonna get out here with my song, you know what I mean? Try to keep everything alive. I get up in the morning, you know what I mean? So thanks for viewing our stuff. And be sure to go to vga.smtvs.com. Keep checking smtvs.com. You can just join smtvs.com, just have your name there to be a member. We won't have a messaging system there right now and a profile. And you have a little IPTV set up there. And we're going to try to get the people that understand they're going to need to start joining smtvs.com to get to a lot of stuff that we're going to be doing. Okay?